Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Trojanbot Duplicate Buy Setting. So to get started, Trojan is a feature that allow the bot to execute multiple buy order from the same cryptocurrency token, even if you already hold that token in your wallet. Normally, a bot might be configured to buy a token only once and then wait for a sell condition. However, with the duplicate buy setting enabled, the bot will continue to buy more of the same token under a specific conditions, often when it detects a subsequent buy signal or any entries from a copied wallet. This is particularly useful in strategies like dollar cost averaging, where you aim to reduce your average purchase price by buying more than the price drop in copy trading, where the master wallet you are mirroring makes multiple entries into the same asset. While the duplicate buy settings offer a flexibility for various trading strategies, it also introduces high risk if not managed carefully. Continuous buying the same asset can lead to overexposure to a single token, amplifying a potential losses if the price crashes, and it's crucial to combine these settings with a robust risk management parameter, such as setting a maximum total investment amount for a single token, defining a clear take profit and stop loss levels for each individual buy order or the overall position, and carefully monitor the market without a proper safeguard. The duplicate buy settings can quickly lead to a undesirable accumulation of the losing asset, making it harder to exist profitably. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.